I'm tryna tell you all the things no one told you. I'm tryna give you all my love like I'm supposed to. I know you feel a part of me when I hold you. The way I'm moving, baby, I might control you. Take it off too. Do them things that make them niggas get on you. I won't cross you if I lost you. It would hurt me, baby, so let's make a boss move. I wanna know
what it is. It's J James, and I'm back with another video. So I definitely been gone for a minute. This is like the start of a vlog that's gonna be posted, and like the first week in November. It's October 20th. Getting my puppy on November 4th, so I'm gonna like keep like doing days up until then, till I get her. I'm excited. Basically, got like 2 weeks until I get her. I'll see y'all in a couple days. I'm back. It's another day past. Today is Monday, October 26th. Alright, it's the day after Halloween. It's November 1st. I'm about to go to PetSmart to start getting stuff. Alright, we outside. I had to come to the car and get my shoes because right now I got no slides, but it's raining. I'm gonna go to PetSmart, probably get her some puppy pads, like training pads, and probably some little toys. And then also, if they have the food I need to get her, I'm gonna get her that.
Pittsburgh putting up 21 points in the second half. Welcome back to d&bnation Stadium in Baltimore. Jim Nance took it.
They got me inside Big Lots because this little girl wanted something. We got her a leash. We got her some waist bags. You know, you gotta pick up the poop. I'm looking at food, but I'm not sure which food would be the best for her. So that's what I'm trying to figure out now. I'm reading up on it. We gotta pick out some puppy pads. We gotta look for the best deal. 150 for 22, 100 for 15. Alright, y'all, we going with 150 for $22. We don't like touching ones that people don't already touch, so let's grab them. I guess I can show you some of the stuff I got for her. We got some puppy pads. We got a collar. And we also got, oh, I forgot about this toy too.
Yeah, 5 should be good. Yeah.
And some waist bags. Why? Why? No, I'm not paying that now. Food. And now I got her little bed, y'all. These two. These two boys. So this for right now. They dirty. Can I get a discount? She's over here trying to find the dog some Christmas attire.
Anyone want to take this card back over?
She is getting the stickers. She loves this puppy already, and I ain't even get her yet. So I'm gonna get a couple sample and the leash and the bowl. Alright, y'all. Some of the dream stuff came. We got her leash. This part. Then we got her bowl. The 2 bowls. Stainless steel, and it comes with a little food scooper. It is Monday, November 2nd. 2 days. Y'all, I don't even like pink, but it's for her, so I'm seriously excited. Like, I can't wait. She's expensive already. It's crazy. Alright, y'all. Today is the day I go pick up my baby. It's November the 4th. It's right now. It's like 10:30ish. I'm about to head out because I'm like an hour away from where the lady at. I gotta make a stop at PetSmart to get her some training treats first though. And then we'll be going to pick her up. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Stay tuned. But anyways, y'all.
Ever have anything stolen while you were in school?
I'm on Zoom. You know.
Yeah?
school. We on the way. Got her little. Thank you very much, so hype. I'm ready to see my baby already. Today, I become a mother. That's my child, okay? Yes, sir. They got salmon. I don't know if she gonna like that though. I might get these. I think we can go with these. 4-1, 3-2. You cool? You cool? Say hi, people. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, mama. This is my baby. Say hi, baby. She tired of me already. Y'all, I'm so hyped right now. Mama. What you doing, mama? You say hi to the people? Tell them you was being the brat when I put you in your cage. You was crying. You gonna tell them? Or you want me to tell them? What's this? The treat?
She finally ate it.
It feels like she's teasing with the treat.
Mom?
Is that Devin's okay?
I don't know. It's your room, mama.
Oh, that's
Look. Look. I gotcha. Ooh. You look comfortable, girl. That's a toy. That's a toy, mama.
You got your food here. Once you really learn how to use that, you're not gonna get in sleep.
We got you some water, mama.
Look like you smacked her with like kind of perched.
And some water? Oh, she sat down. She said we're gonna be here for a while. Hi, baby.
She's like, I love the camera. No, I don't.
I'm grabbing Tay. Exactly. I'm at the end of this vlog right here. Baby's over there. We watching Chicago Med right there, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. More vlogs coming. Right now, she's just been sleeping. Ooh, let me show y'all before I log off what she got. She got little doggy food. That's cool. I'm not feeding her Benna food. I feel like y'all should already seen it, but I got her Blue Buffalo. They also give her a little doggy bowl and little puppy pads. And the lady wrote her a card. Got a card with her name on it. It says thank you. It says thank you for your purchase. I hope that you have lots of fun with your new puppy Dream. P.S. Please send updated pics when you can. Thank y'all for tuning in to the video. We'll be back more soon. Dream Team, don't forget to like, share, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post another video. Comment on the video, you know. Say hi to my baby. Say hi to my sleeping baby. And yeah, we'll see y'all next video. And we out.
I'm really heavy, got a block on me. I walk around with a knot on me. I try to tell them ain't no stopping me. I do it right so they can copy me.